Senator Cassidy grills CDC Director Walensky on employee vaccination rates. In a tense and highly anticipated Senate hearing, Senator Bill Cassidy takes aim at CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky, pressing her for answers on the vaccination status of CDC employees amidst the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. With vaccination rates lagging behind targets and cases on the rise, Cassidy demands accountability from the nation's top public health official. Dr. Walensky, can you provide us with an update on the vaccination rates among CDC employees? Cassidy asks, his voice dripping with skepticism. Given the critical role the CDC plays in guiding our national response to the pandemic, it's imperative that its own workforce sets an example by getting vaccinated. Walensky, visibly taken aback by the senator's aggressive line of questioning, responds cautiously, acknowledging that while progress has been made, there is still work to be done. Senator Cassidy, I can assure you that the CDC is committed to ensuring the health and safety of its employees, she says. We have implemented robust vaccination outreach efforts and are actively encouraging all staff to get vaccinated as soon as possible. But Cassidy is not satisfied with Walensky's assurances, pressing her for specifics on the percentage of CDC employees who have received the vaccine. With all due respect, Dr. Walensky, I'm not interested in vague assurances, he retorts. I want concrete numbers. How many CDC employees have been vaccinated, and what steps are you taking to increase that number? Under mounting pressure from Cassidy and other members of the committee, Walensky reluctantly reveals that as of the latest data, only 60% of CDC employees are fully vaccinated against COVID-19. The admission sparks outrage among lawmakers who express dismay at the low vaccination rate among the very individuals responsible for guiding the nation's pandemic response efforts. 60%? That's simply unacceptable, Cassidy fumes. How can the American people have confidence in the CDC's guidance when its own employees aren't fully vaccinated? It's clear that more needs to be done to ensure that every CDC employee is protected against COVID-19. In the wake of the hearing, calls for action to improve vaccination rates among CDC employees grow louder, with lawmakers and public health experts alike calling for a renewed push to prioritize vaccination efforts within the agency.